So guys, here's what we got. A 1967 Ford Mustang with a 289 and a 4-speed. Friend of mine got this car, wants me to get it running. I said no problem. I already confirmed that the motor is good, but I ended up having to rebuild the carburetor. So, we're getting ready to throw it back on, throw a new base gasket on, cinch her down. We also have to change the fuel pump, which really easy on these. And we're going to go ahead and try to fire her up tonight on a donor gas tank, aka a gas can, and some fuel line. Let's see if we can make this thing live again. And it's running. Idling. We're trying to get it to take fuel from the donor. Hasn't ran in 22 years.